Good morning, dear students. So let's continue our chapter number 19, that is rectification of errors. Today we are going to discuss the last topic of our concept, that is two-sided errors, and the cases when there is an excess debit in one account and an excess credit in another account. Mean both debit as well as credit sides are having an excess balance. See the example here. Goods sold to Mohan for rupees 380 on credit. So when we sell goods to any person, means debtor on credit, then the journal entry is debtor account debit to sales, right? But we have wrongly recorded in our sales book of as rupees 830. Matlab what we have passed the wrong entry, that is Mohan account debit to sales with 830. Right? It means we have wrongly credited rupees debited as well as credited rupees 450. Right? Now what we have to do? You all know that if there is a wrong credit, excess credit, it will be debited, and if there is excess debit, it will be credited. Then what will be the journal entry? The rectifying journal entry will be sales account debit to Mohan account with 450 each. The balance we have to take here. We have wrongly taken 830, then we have to take 380, then what is the balance? 450, then with 450 we have to pass the reverse entry. So with that, our topics now, the cases of our case number 1, double-sided errors, has been completed. So now let's consider our practical questions one by one. So here is your first practical question that is related to two-sided errors, and the question is rectify the following errors. So credit sales to Mridula of rupees 5000 were not recorded. Now you all know that when the sales or when any entry is omitted to be recorded, then we have to pass a very simple journal entry in order to rectify it. See how we have to rectify it. It will be debtor to sales, then Mridula account debit to sales with 5000, because the amount given in the question is 5000. See, a very simple journal entry I have passed. Now the next is credit purchases from Nana 8000 were not recorded. So again, when we purchase any goods on credit, then we have to pass the journal entry, that is purchases account debit to creditor, and now the name of the creditor is also given Nana, so we have to take. So what is the second journal entry, correct journal entry? That is purchases account debit to Nana, and the amount given is 8000, so we have to take 8000, right? Okay. So now rest 2 you can try by your own. Okay. So question number 2 is credit sales to Mridula 5000 were recorded as 500, means there is a shorter balance. We have recorded both our debit as well as credit account with the shorter balance. So what we have to do? We just have to pass a very simple entry with the balance amount. See how we have to pass? Now what is the journal entry? It's Mridula account debit to sales. Then we will pass first the journal entry, that is debtor to sales. Now the name of the debtor is given, so we have to choose the name. Then Mridula account debit to sales. कितना अमाउंट हमने लेना था? 500, but we have recorded 5000 की entry थी, but we have wrongly taken 500. So what is the balance here? It's 4500. Then write here 4500, 45 here. Right? The next one is credit purchases from Nana of rupees 8000 were recorded as 800. This is the same case. When we have recorded with the shorter balance, then we have to firstly pass the correct journal entry, that is purchases account debit to Nana. So write here purchases account debit to Nana account. हम लोगों ने कितना रिकॉर्ड करना था? 8000. बट कितना हम लोगों ने रिकॉर्ड करा? 800. सो द बैलेंस 7200 हम लोगों ने रिकॉर्ड करा ही नहीं. सो पास द जर्नल एंट्री विद द बैलेंस लेफ्ट, दैट इज 7200. Now next two entries you can do by your own. So this is how you have to do the journal entries. I have explained all the cases here. Now you have to understand the case and you have to pass the journal entry according to that. So please try all the questions and send me your queries. Thank you so much.